chaos, that confusion is automatic. So the question is, how well do you work through that?
What do you think about working with McKnight?
It's great. He's a legend.
All the rules and all of that applies, but the most important rule out here is common sense. Just do the right thing. Have fun, be safe, and we'll worry about the winning or losing at the end. But if we do those things, we'll win. We're going to go to the corner where the pipe is. Okay?
So you want to take the lead?
Now, the hardest thing in the world is not fighting the bad guys out in the open desert or something. It's fighting them in a city, because you don't know who's around what door, who's around what corner, who's going to stick their weapon out of a window or throw a hand grenade at you.
Medic!
This is what's so hard about Iraq. We're fighting in a city. We're not fighting in the desert.
For my prediction, victory. It ain't over till a fat lady sings. You can take that to the bank. We got people who came from all over the United States just to fight for this time and this day. You guys are meant to be here this day. This is just a small taste of what our modern day soldiers are going through. They're experiencing the confusion, the sights, the sounds, the smells. Smell that? You smell that? It smells like victory. The way you conquer fears, you have to face fear head on. But due to the training, that once you get into that situation, you automatically take over. That fear goes away.
Do you feel you're going to win today?
At his feet. Message Mounter. You're dead.
You just have to go that way, huh? This interview was going real nice, but you just have to go that way. Yeah, we're going to win. When our back is against the wall, that's when we come out and fight. We came here to fight. It's war. It's war. Get that thing out of my face.